Ghana is finally set to embark on a groundbreaking journey in its mining sector as Atlantic Lithium receives the final regulatory approval for the Ewoyaa Lithium project in the central region. This monumental development is great and marks a significant milestone in Ghana's quest to become a major player in the global electric vehicle and renewable energy sectors. So stick with me till the end as we discuss how Atlantic Lithium has now gotten this approval and what had stalled the project for this while, the immense impact it holds for Ghana, and many more. But before we begin, as always, I would appreciate a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. Let's get right into it. The Minerals Commission has awarded Atlantic Lithium a mine operating permit for its flagship Ewoyaa Lithium project, potentially signaling a new era in Ghana's mining landscape. This permit represents the final regulatory approval needed before the company can begin construction of the project, which includes both the Ewoyaa Lithium mine and the processing plant. Niall Herbert, executive chairman of Atlantic Lithium, emphasized the significance of this achievement, stating that this marks a crucial step for the Ewoyaa Lithium project and is the final regulatory approval we need to commence construction. The company is now eagerly anticipating the parliamentary ratification for the Ewoyaa Lithium lease, expected during the upcoming parliamentary session, resuming on October 15th, 2024. Without this ratification, the project cannot commence. With the country's sights set on achieving the first production of lithium in Ghana, Atlantic Lithium hopes the ratification can occur soon, paving the way for the construction and operation of this globally significant lithium project. This massive project is a testament to the efforts of Atlantic Lithium, the Minerals Commission, and the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources, who have worked tirelessly to bring this vision to fruition. Once finalized, the Ewoyaa Lithium project is set to become Ghana's first lithium mine, positioning the country as a significant player in the global lithium market. But without this ratification, more people would lose their jobs, and instead of the project benefiting thousands of people, it will rather go against them. The project itself is poised to play a pivotal role in establishing Ghana as a key supplier in the electric vehicles battery supply chain, reducing the country's dependence on traditional mineral exports and contributing to the global green energy transmission. With modern facilities and efficient operations, the project promises to provide a boost to Ghana's economy while supporting sustainable development goals if it kicks off. As Atlantic Lithium moves forward into its plans, the Ewoyaa Lithium project is expected to create numerous job opportunities across various sectors, including engineering, geology, logistics, and administration. This influx of employment is anticipated to enhance local livelihoods and contribute to economic empowerment within the country. That said, the licensing of Atlantic Lithium for the Ewoyaa project marks a crucial turning point in Ghana's mining landscape, serving as a catalyst for economic development and global integration in the green energy sector. With construction set to begin soon, the project sets the stage for a brighter future where Ghana emerges as a key player in the global lithium market, driving growth and prosperity for its citizens. Share your thoughts in the comment section below about the lithium mine receiving its final regulatory approval for the construction of the Ewoyaa Lithium project, and what you think about government yet to sign the ratification of the lithium agreement, which will immediately put the project into construction. If you like content like this also, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more insightful content just like this. Also, check out this video next to see another amazing discovery Ghana has made in the mineral sector. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this video out.